This Yay in the building. Yay clocking in. Yay clocking in. This second video, I'm just making back-to-back videos. You're trying to stay consistent. All right, so this one is how to make NoFap fun. Cause I know sometimes it might get boring because it's like you doing this and you holding in your seed, and it's like you probably want to have some fun. Let's say, and when I say have some fun, I'm talking about sex. So it's like what you can do, because some people be asking, so I know I'm not supposed to let my nut off. I know I'm not supposed to nut. So then it's like, people ask, could I still have sex? Yeah, you can. It's the thing is, it's about masturbating to porn. And a lot of men, especially now, bro, a lot of men is like going through this and they battling with this. But like I always say, you gotta cut off the triggers. Once you do that, and you show, especially God, when you show God that you actually trying, I'm telling you, that door will open up wide. You have to show him that you're trying. Because if you're not serious about it, he not serious. Remember that. If you showing him, oh, I'm gonna still hold these videos, I'm gonna still hold them because I might want to watch them. All right. You're gonna continue to fall into that trap over and over and over and over until you learn. But like I said, to make it fun, all you need to do, bro, is like literally all you need to do, what I do is, like, if I get to, like, let's just say I get to 30 days, right? I say on that 30 day, I might take myself out to eat. I'm gonna treat myself. You feel me? Or like, let's say you get to 15 days. Like any milestone that you set for yourself, you should treat yourself. Do something good. Like, do something nice for yourself. Like anything. Go to the mall and get you some new clothes. If you ain't got none. Go get your favorite snack. I don't know, bro. Whatever makes you happy. Whatever you like. Whatever give you that. And when I say rush of dopamine, it ain't always got to be bad. Like, it's good dopamine too, bro. And you will get a rush of dopamine of just good things that you like. Like, sometimes I get that rush of dopamine when I probably listen to my favorite music, you know, or working out. So that's all you do, bro. And that's how you gonna make it fun. You gonna enjoy this journey. And shoot, when you do that, bro, you gonna like to do this, and you gonna enjoy it. And that's why I'm glad I'm making this video, because I know some people they get bored when they on NoFap. Like, they don't even want to do it no more. They'll go right back into their old ways because they feel like they not receiving the benefits of it. Like, they feel like, let's say you receive all the benefits through that 30 days, right? And you stop receiving the benefits after 30 days. Like, before the 30 days, like when you was going through the journey, you were feeling all type of, like, attraction. You was getting attraction for females. You getting a boost of energy. You had mental clarity, clear skin. Like, you were just able to do so many things, bro. Like, I'm just thinking of, like, all the benefits you will get from being on NoFap. Like, let's just say you stop receiving them. People would just quit. They'll just give up because they not receiving it. No, bro. You supposed to keep going. Like, what is you on this journey for? Just to receive benefits over and over? Like, no. You gonna still receive them, bro. Like, seriously. It's just that like, it's just gonna happen. I'm not for sure, because I still gotta reach that milestone, you feel me? So I can't really say too much, you know? But like, I feel like once you reach that limit, you're gonna still receive them. Like, it's gonna be, I feel like it's gonna be unstoppable. And a lot of people still feel, that's what I'm saying, a lot of people still feel that 1,000 days, 2,000 days, and it's like, it'll creep up on you. That's why I say, don't get too comfortable. Just because you're on the high rise, don't get too comfortable, bro, because it could still creep back in. But as long as you taking care of yourself and you doing what's right, you good, bro. That's why you gotta always take care of yourself. But like I said, that's how you make NoFap fun. Like, treat yourself whenever you hit that milestone on this winning in life. And trust and believe that day gonna come, like, where you finally delete this out your brain like that. I'm telling you, after 30 days and 60 days and 90 days, 90 days is like the full reboot. 30 days is like how can I say it? It's like a half reboot. Like, it's still a reboot, like, but you just took the first step on clearing all of that bull stuff out of your brain. Remember, your brain is like a computer. So it's like not like the 90 days, I feel like that's the factory reset. 30 days, that's just a little reboot. Like a little reboot to restart your computer, but you still keeping your files. But like the files is like your oh my god, the files is like your memory. I'm sorry, when I do that, that's just me. I feel like I'm explaining some good stuff to y'all, you know what I mean? It's like I'm getting there, you know? But it's like, what I'm trying to say is the 30 days is like you still keeping your files, but the files is your memory. The memory of what you have went through in life. So all of that stuff you still gonna keep. You just doing the reset, like a reboot on the things that you don't want in your life. And then 60 days is like the same thing, but it's like, it's gonna be a change in your life. You feel me? Like, things gonna start to change. And then 90 days, you finally got that factory reset, and you reset all of that stuff. And now the change is here. Like, it's you starting to move different. Even though you was doing good, you still changed that up. You feel me? Like, bro. But like I said, that's how you make NoFap fun. Like, just by treating yourself and just doing nice things for yourself. There you go, bro. Yeah, clocking out, bro. Peace.